Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add your YouTube channel to your streamer profile on Kick. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Kick, log into your account, for example via the web application. Next click into your profile icon in the top right and choose view your channel. From there guys, what you want to do is navigate to the about section of your profile. Click into edit here. And here you can customize your channel. Describe it, add various social media to it, like your Instagram profile, Facebook, X, and so on and so forth, Discord, TikTok, and you will see also YouTube. So what you need to do guys is navigate to a YouTube channel and copy not the URL but the handle, the channel handle, right? That's just below your YouTube channel name on your YouTube channel with the @ sign at the beginning of it, and copy it here. Paste it here and click into save, and then it will be visible on your streamer profile here in the about section on Kick. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.